For over a century, Mead Johnson has nurtured the first moments of life, supporting millions of parents with trusted pediatric nutrition. We operate in a highly competitive, tightly regulated industry with no shortcut to trust. Our challenge? How do we drive impact with shrinking budgets? We want to increase revenue while keeping the marketing spend in check. In fact, these constraints became the spark that ignited innovation. That's where the story of Nautilus began. Nautilus is an end-to-end AI-driven campaign optimization platform that perfects the 3 R's. Right audience, right budget, and right campaign settings. With automation, we have achieved a 68% improvement in return on ad spends and a 115% increase in Amazon sales. Imagine reducing manual efforts while achieving outstanding results in less than 8 weeks. That's the power of AI. Impactful campaigns need creative brilliance, and that's where creative intelligence steps in. Creative Intelligence is a generative AI ad design platform which streamlines the creative process. It generates high-quality visuals and compelling copy, ensuring brand compliance. Create better ads, faster, and at scale. The result? Less manual effort, more meaningful engagement, and a data-driven marketing engine that learns, adapts, and scales. At Mead Johnson, we're not just optimizing campaigns. We are building deeper connections, one parent at a time,